What would you do if a zombie apocalypse happened today? Would you panic, freeze, or spring into action? Well, fear not, for today we delve into the survival guide for the unexpected, a zombie apocalypse. Picture this. Zombies have taken over the earth and humanity's survival hangs by a thread. The key to surviving this grim reality lies in your hands, and your hands alone. But how, you ask? Let's dive in. First and foremost, it's crucial to stay calm. Panic is a luxury you can't afford in a situation like this. Remember, a calm mind can think clearly and make rational decisions. So, take a deep breath, keep your wits about you, and let's strategize. The first order of business is to secure a safe house. Finding a secure location that's easily defensible and far away from the undead is paramount. A place with minimal windows and multiple exits would be ideal. And remember, the higher, the safer. Zombies aren't known for their climbing skills. Next, you need to stock up on supplies. Canned food, bottled water, and first aid kits are a must. Don't forget tools and weapons. You never know when you'll need to defend yourself or fix something. And remember, your supplies should last you for at least a couple of weeks. Thirdly, it's time to form alliances. In a world overrun by zombies, humans need to stick together. Finding a group of trustworthy people can increase your survival rate exponentially. But choose wisely. Trust is a two-way street. Lastly, stay quiet. Zombies have an uncanny ability to detect noise, so it's best to keep a low profile, avoid unnecessary confrontations, and only fight when it's absolutely necessary. To summarize, the key to surviving a zombie apocalypse is to stay calm, secure a safe house, stock up on supplies, form alliances, and stay quiet. It's a harsh reality to consider, but in the face of such a daunting scenario, it's always better to be prepared than caught off guard. Remember, survival isn't just about living, it's about thriving. So if a zombie apocalypse ever comes knocking on your door, don't just survive, thrive. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to surviving a zombie apocalypse. In the face of the undead, may you not just survive, but thrive. Until next time, stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, the only thing scarier than a zombie is a human unprepared.